Watchy. He almost said something.
I almost said something else?
Boom.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa, and I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in Accra, Ghana. If you want to know what phrases and sentences and words you need to know before you come to Ghana, then this is the video for you. So today I'm meeting up with my good friend, True Vonne, and she's gonna try to teach me the common phrases. So I'm gonna say the English word, she's gonna say the word in Ghana tree, and I will try to pronounce it myself. And let's see how I do. So, check it out. All right, what's up, guys? Today, back by popular demand, we have
True Vonne. Okay, so Joe has been bothering me with some tree phrases like, oh, how do you say this in tree? How do you say that in tree? So today, I have decided to teach him some common tree phrases so that he can move around very easily in the country. So if you're also planning to come to Ghana or you're in Ghana and you're kind of like struggling to find your way to communicate with people, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to teach you 25 phrases that you can learn and just communicate easily with the people of Ghana. So let's get right into the video.
Let's do it. So I thought we'd start with just a little bit of like a lesson about Ghana and just understanding the multilingual nature of the people here in Ghana. Okay, and so English is the common language spoken here, obviously.
It's official language.
It's the official language, but then there is a local official language as well.
That would be the Chi. That's
right.
the most popular language speaking in Ghana here.
And from what I understand, that's subset of Akan, right? Which has 3 different versions of Akan, right? Tree is just the most common of the 3. And then from what I understand too, there are over 70 different ethnic groups here in Ghana, which is pretty crazy to think, right? So 70 different ethnic groups, 80 different languages, but 13 languages are recognized nationally by the country of Ghana. All right, guys, so we're gonna start by me saying the word in English, then you're gonna say it in Tree.
In Tree.
Then I'm gonna try my absolute best to repeat it and say it properly. Fingers crossed, guys. All right, guys, so the first word is going to be welcome. I think Ghanaians are a very welcoming people. They like to say welcome in Tree.
And welcome is akwaba.
Akwaba.
Oh, simple.
Easy, that's easy. I've also heard that 1,000 times. That one I can do. So the second word is hello. And how do you pronounce hello in Tree?
So hello is ago. That is when you're entering into somebody's house. Like you want to find out if you're there, like a greeting. Hello, anybody home? So you say ago.
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 Yeah.
That was easy.
Ago is not bad. That's an easy one. Okay, I'll remember that. All right, sticking with greetings, we're gonna say, how are you?
And how are you is etiseng.
Etiseng. Etiseng.
Etiseng.
Etiseng.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it's close.
So now we need to be able to respond to that when someone asks you, how are you? So that is?
That will be mehoye.
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 Good.
Mehoye.
So mehoye means I'm fine, good, it's all right, like all those things, you know, all the response you give to how are you, you can say mehoye.
All right, guys, so we just did common greetings. Now we're going to do introductions. And so the first of the introductions is, what is your name?
Boom! Yefere will sing. Yefere
will sing.
So there are different ways of saying it. We are just trying to choose the easiest ones for you guys because Yefere will sing, you can also say Udin the same.
Okay, Udin the same.
Udin the same, but this is like the easiest one to say. Yefere will sing.
Yefere will sing.
Yefere will sing.
Will sing.
Okay.
Yefere will sing. Got it. So in response to what is your name, someone asks you what your name is, then my name is, right?
My name is Yefreme True Vonne.
Yefreme Joe Hatagwa.
Yefreme.
Joe. So now the next question is, where are you from?
Where are you from is Can you try?
Ufiri he.
Okay, that was close. Ufiri he.
Ufiri he. Okay, Ufiri he. Okay, so Ufiri he, Sierra Leone. And what would you say?
Ghana.
There it is. So now that you've asked somebody where they're from, you can also respond with I am from. And so that is pronounced.
That is me free.
Me free.
So ask me the question.
Who free, eh?
Okay, so ask me the question.
Who free, eh? Who free? How does that say, right? Who free, eh? Who free, eh? Who free, eh?
Who free he?
Who free, eh?
Okay, then I would say me free Ghana.
Okay. Who
So
free, eh?
who free he?
Me free Sierra Leone.
Okay.
And the US. Okay.
That was easy.
Relatively.
As you know, in Ghana, we live by politeness. So you guys, you need to learn these phrases. You cannot do away with that. Even if you're asking somebody like, how are you? You need all these phrases, okay? Joe, what's the first one?
So the first one is please.
And please is, I think you know this.
I just know yes please, no please.
That would be me pacho. Woo!
Me pacho.
See?
Me pacho.
Me pacho. And you say that before you do anything, like before you ask any question, please. Me pacho, free him. Then I'll say me pacho, me free Ghana. Me pacho, free him.
Me free, pacho. Okay, me pacho, free Sierra Leone. No?
Okay, you try.
You take it. I tried. Yes, please. No, please. So whether it's in English or it's in Tree, please is accompanied by everything.
And when you are very, very necessary. Yanko, another word.
So the next one is thank you. This one, I know. I'm excited about this.
Okay, so thank you is
Medasi.
So the actual word is medawo. That's it. Like,
okay.
I thank you. But we shorten it to just thank you. Then you say medasi.
Medasi.
Okay.
So next is sorry.
And sorry is kose or kafra.
So there are two words.
Ko.
Ko.
Se.
Se.
Kose.
Kose.
Okay.
Kose.
Kose.
What am I doing? I'm going to say
Kose.
it.
Kose.
Kose.
Good.
Kose.
Kose.
Kafra.
Kafra.
Okay. All right, so we just did polite words, right? And now we're moving into the affirmative and negative. So the next word is yes.
Ane.
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 Ane. So next we're gonna do no.
And no is Debbie. Or
Debbie.
Dabby.
Dabby.
Yeah.
Okay, Dabby.
Okay, so the next set of phrases are common questions and responses. So what's the first word?
Do you understand English?
That's the first phrase, and in Chi it is what's a brofo.
What a brofo.
And then the person can respond Ane or Debbie,
Right.
meaning they understand or they don't understand.
Ane is yes. Debbie is no. Good. Got it. All right, so the next phrase is how do you say in Twi?
So it means like if you want to know the name of a certain word in Chi,
Right.
and you're asking the question, right?
Right.
So you would say na yeka dododo wochimu. That's a long one.
Yes. I want to know soap.
So ask the question in Chi.
Senayeka Wutrimu.
No, so you put the
Oh,
word
Senay. Okay, yeah. Senayeka soap Wutrimu.
wochi. He almost said something.
I almost said something else.
Say it again.
Senayeka soap Wutrimu.
Wochimu. Okay, so soap is seminar.
Seminar.
So if I don't understand English or you just want to know the word, ask that. Say na yeka soap wochimu. Then the person will say seminar.
Ah, I got it.
So what is soap?
Seminar.
Seminar.
All right, so the next phrase is what time is it?
Abosen.
Abosen. What time is it? Abosen. The next phrase is how much is it?
How much is it? ASN.
ASN.
I just so you know, guys, there are lots of other phrases you can use, but these ones are like the simplest ones that we've chosen for you. So because this one you can also say ASN, but that's like too long, so you just say ASN.
ASN. It's easy for me. It's like saying the letters A, S, N.
Yeah.
So that's easy for me. After you ask how much it costs, the response is it costs.
Cost, which is a year.
A year.
So like a year 2 cedis or a year 10 cedis.
And since we're going to be negotiating, you're not going to say, okay, 10 CDs. So we'll talk about what the response should be for I will pay. All right, so now that we've established how much it costs, or at least the initial costs, right? Because everything's a bargain here, so you don't have to pay the actual cost. The response will be I will pay.
I will pay, which is metia. So if the person says, you ask the question, how much is it?
Yes.
ASN.
ASN.
Then I say a 10 cedis.
And I say
Metia.
Metia, 2 CDs.
2 cedis. Exactly.
Go real low, somewhere you'll meet in the middle.
So the next set of phrases are classified under the common phrases.
So the first one we're going to do is I don't know.
And that would be minim.
Minim.
Minim. I don't know.
Minim. All right, so the next phrase is I understand.
And I understand is mete asia.
Mete asia.
Mete asia.
Mete asia. So the next one is I don't understand.
I don't understand. Mente asia.
Mente asia.
Mente.
Mente.
So the first one was mete.
Mete. This was
like
mente.
Mente.
Mente
Asia.
asia.
It's an icon now. What asia?
Mente asia. So the next one is help me.
And help me is, I think you know this.
Boame.
Boame.
I've heard it before.
Boame.
Yes.
And please make sure, you see, I said please. Always, always, always add your please, thank you, and all that. So, me pacho.
Me pacho boame.
Good.
Please help me.
Please help me. You don't just say boame. Okay, so Joe, what's the next word?
I'm hungry, which I really am right now.
And that would be ekom deme.
Ekwam deme.
Ekom deme.
Ekwam deme.
Okay.
I'm hungry. So now to invite someone to eat with you, or you're invited, what would that phrase be?
Joe. Mensaka. Which is mensaka.
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 Mensaka. Yes,
Yeah,
please. You can't invite me to eat and then not actually offer the food.
Well, it doesn't mean you should actually come and eat. I'm just being polite.
Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.